explain the topic adverb. We have already discussed nouns, adjectives, right? So today our topic is adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that is used to change or modify the verb, adjective or a clause in the sentence. Okay? So what is an adverb? It is a word used to change or modify the verb, sometimes adjective and sometimes clause. Okay, this is adverb, and it provides the description of how, when, where, in what manner and to what extent something is done or happens. Okay, let's see the examples. So description of how she drives carefully. So you make a question in the sentence. How she drives carefully. So this is an adverb in the sentence. Okay. Coming to when. She always arrives early. When she arrives always. So this word is an adverb in the given sentence. Always. Always is an adverb. Next. Where. So you make the question in the given sentence. Where. They go everywhere together. Where they go everywhere. So everywhere is an adverb. In what manner? She eats slowly. In what manner she eats? Slowly. So slowly is an adverb in the given sentence. To what extent? It is terribly hot. Terribly means very, very high. Hot, extremely hot. So these words are adverbs. Okay. To what extent it is hot? It is terribly hot. So terribly is an adverb in the given sentence. So adverbs provides the description about how, when, where, in what manner, to what extent of something is happened or done. Okay? Are you clear? So coming to the types of adverbs. Okay? These are the types of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of time, and adverb of purpose. Okay, these are the types of adverbs. One by one I will explain clearly. So coming to the first one, adverb of manner. So adverb of manner tells us how the action is carried out. Okay, few examples are hardly and sweetly, slowly, fastly, quickly, happily. These all are examples of adverb of manner. Okay, here there are few examples. She passed the exam easily. Make a question. Okay, how she passed easily. So easily is an adverb. Okay. They walked quickly to catch the train. Quickly. How they walked? Quickly. So quickly is an adverb. Most of the adverbs are often ending with ly. See, ly, ly. So you can easily spot an adverb in the given sentence. But some few adverbs are there. So they will not end with ly. Okay, here are some examples. She dances well. How she dances? Well. There is no ly at the end of the sentence, right? So this is well is an adverb. How she dances? Well. Make a question. You can find an adverb easily. The boys worked hard. How the boys worked? Hard. So hard is an adverb in the given sentence. So these are the few examples of adverb of manner. Now coming to the second one, adverb of place. So adverb of place tells us where an action is done. Okay, where an action takes place. So here few examples are there, and adverb of place gives the information, gives the description about direction, distance and position. Okay, direction, distance and position. Few examples are southeast, northeast, left, right, up, down, okay, near, far. These all are examples of adverb of place. So few examples I have given. They travelled down the mountain side. Down is an adverb, gives a description of direction. Okay. Next, John is moving far away. Far. So it gives the information of distance. This is an adverb in the given sentence. Far. The cat is sleeping on the bed. Where it is sleeping, make the question. On. So on is an adverb which gives the position. Okay. On. It is an adverb in the given sentence. So coming to the next one, adverb of frequency. Okay. It is used to express time. How often something occurs. Okay. Normally, always, monthly, daily. These are the few examples of adverb of frequency. Here, the adverb comes usually before the verb. So, what is an adverb in the sentence? Usually. This is an adverb. How often something occurs, that is called adverb of frequency. I can normally make event. How we can make? Normally. I will get paid monthly. So what is an adverb? Monthly. This is the adverb of frequency. Newspaper is bought daily. So daily is an adverb of frequency. Hope you understood. Coming to the next one, adverb of time. Adverb of time tells us when something happens. Okay, when. So here are a few examples. I forgot my lunch yesterday and today. So make a question. When I forgot my lunch yesterday and today. So these two are adverbs of time. I have to go now. When you have to go? Now. So now is a adverb of time. This was happened last year. When it was happened, make a question when it is happened. Last year. Okay. So last year is an adverb of time. Coming to the last one, adverb of purpose. So adverb of purpose is nothing but adverb of reasons. Okay. And it tells us why something is happened. Few examples are since, because, in order to, thus, so that, so. These all are few examples of adverb of purpose. Okay. So where we will use, let's see. Because I was late, I walked a little faster. Make a question. Why something is happened? Why you walk little faster? Because you are late. So because is an adverb of purpose here. Because. Since it is your birthday, I will give you a gift. Why you are giving gift? Because it's your birthday. What word we are using here? Since. Since is an adverb of purpose. We can frame so many sentences by using these adverbs of purposes. Since, so, because, so that, in order to, thus. Okay. So hope you are very clear, and I have explained all the types of adverbs. So here I have given one sentence. You can spot all the types of adverbs in this sentence. Okay, let's see. I ran quickly. So first of all, what is a verb in this sentence? Run is a verb. So adverb is nothing but a word that changes or modifies the verb. Okay? So how you run, how you are running quickly. So this is adverb of manner. Okay? Adverb of manner. Quickly down the road. So this is, what is this? Adverb of place. Down the road is adverb of place. Every morning. Okay? When? Every morning. So this is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. Before school. Before school means before school time. Okay. You run quickly down the road. Okay. Before school means it tells us the adverb of time. Before school means adverb of time. Because I might miss the bus. Why you are running quickly? Because I might miss the bus. Because, just now I told, because is nothing but adverb of purpose. Okay, there is a reason. So what word we use here? Because. This is adverb of purpose. So friends, all types of adverbs came here, right? Hope you are perfect in this adverbs. Keep watching me. Keep watching all the videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.